Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Wix website to Google Search Console so that your site will be found on Google. This is very quick and easy, guys. All you have to do is you just want to follow these simple steps and make sure you watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Now all you have to do, guys, to connect your site to Google Search Console so that your site will be found, like I said, on Google, is you just have to click, you want to open your Wix account first, and then you want to click my sites in the top left, and then click go to my site. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you just want to select the site that you want to be found on Google. For example, I'm going to select this one or this one. I'm going to select a random one here. Now I'm going to select, for example, this one. Click select and edit site. After you select, guys, the website, it will take you to this page where you can edit a lot of things. You can change like payment methods, set shipping, delivery. After that, guys, you will see here at the very bottom, it says here, get found by customers on Google. So it means that you can easily connect your Wix account to Google Search Console by clicking get started. This is very simple, guys. As you see here, it just said get started so that you can add the steps that Wix will ask you to, so that your site will be found on Google. Now this is very quick and easy. Just want to click on get started. As you can see, if you can see here, get found by customers on Google, click on get started. If you don't see it, search for get found by customers on Google in the search in the top right here. Now if you can see it, just click get started. And next thing, guys, you just want to follow the steps. Like Wix will ask you for a few steps, and you just have to answer the questions. As you can see here, guys, answer 3 questions so that we can build your personalized checklist, complete all the checklist tasks to set up your site for search results. So just click on get started, as you can see, and you just want to enter the information, for example, your business name. Click next. After you enter your business name, what serve your customers, select the one of these, click next, and then click just click enter here. As you can see, which keywords do you want to use in your checklist. Now like you see here, guys, you just want to add like keywords that you want to use in your checklist here. Okay, after you add the keyword, just enter it, and then after that one of your keyword phrase is maybe single words. Okay, if you made a mistake or anything like that, you can just as you can see, one or more of your keyword phrases is made of a single word, which is harder to rank for. So like I said, guys, you have to enter here the keywords that you want to use in your checklist. After that, you just want to click next, as you can see, and you just want to add the steps, more steps. As you can see, it says here your SEO setup checklist. Now this is the hard part, guys. You just want to click on go for it and add all the steps that, as you can see, guys, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 options here. You have to click on go for it, and then you have to complete the like this. You just have to do what Wix asks you to do. For example, choose a title and click apply. For example, choose here a title and click apply. Simple, isn't that simple? Where it says here, add the homepage's description for search result, click again, go for it. You have to complete all these tasks, and then you have to enter, like it says here, tell people about your site. You just have to enter, you just have to description about your site, what your site offers to other people. That's exactly what they mean there. Update the text on your homepage. Like you see, guys, at least one keyword. As you can see here, guys, having the rank, as you can see, and then you just have, just show you how you can do it here, where it says here, update the text on your homepage. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, click on make homepage visible in search results, and then complete the task. And after that, guys, it says here, let search engines index this page toggle, where it says optimize your search for mobile devices, connect your site to custom domain premium feature. That's the only problem here, guys. You can't just connect your Google, your Wix account to your Wix site to Google Search Console. If you don't have a premium feature, which is like the domain, you have to connect your domain. First, you have to click on connect domain, and that's all you need to do, guys. You just wanna complete these tasks, and then click optimize site for search. And that's all you need to do, guys. And then this one again, and then after you complete that, you wanna click on start now. You just have to enter here the information, and that's all you need to do, guys, to connect your Wix website to Google Search Console. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.